Good day everyone. So today we're going to discuss about dictionary in Python and the process on how to assess values in an operation, updating dictionary, delete documentary elements, properties of dictionary keys, and lastly is the built-in dictionary functions and methods. Dictionary. According to tutorialspoint.com, the term Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items in which their compound data types have only values as an element. A dictionary has a key-value pair, in which dictionaries are optimized to retrieve values when the key is known. The Python program provides another composite data type called a dictionary, which is similar to a list in that it is a collection of objects. We should always remember that each key is separated from its value by a colon, and the items are separated by commas, and the whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. Here is an example of creating a dictionary. Also, keys are unique within a dictionary where values may not be. The values of a dictionary can be of any type, but the keys must be an immutable data type such as strings, numbers, or tuples. Now let's go to the process. First is the assessing values in a dictionary. To assess dictionary elements, you can use the familiar square brackets along with the key to obtain its value. Following is an example. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. If we attempt to assess a data item with a key, which is not a part of the dictionary, we can get an error as follows. Then next is the process of updating dictionaries. You can update a dictionary by adding a new entry or a key value pair, modifying an existing entry, or deleting an existing entry as shown below in the simple example. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Next is the process of deleting dictionary elements. Delete dictionary elements. You can either remove individual dictionary elements or clear the entire contents of a dictionary. You can also delete entire dictionary in a single operation. To explicitly remove an entire dictionary, just use the del statement. Following is a simple example. This produces the following result. Note that an exception is raised because after del dictionary does not exist anymore. Next is the properties of dictionary keys. Properties of dictionary keys. Dictionary values have no restrictions. They can be any arbitrary Python object, either standard object or user-defined objects. However, same is not true for the keys. There are two important points to remember about dictionary keys. A. More than one entry per key is not allowed, which means no duplicate key is allowed. For example, when duplicate keys encountered during assignment, the last assignment wins. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. B. Keys must be immutable, which means you can use strings, numbers, or tuples as dictionary keys, but something like bracket, string key is not allowed. Following is a simple example. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Lastly is the built-in dictionary functions and methods. Built-in dictionary functions and methods. Python includes the following dictionary functions: len dict, string dict, and type variable. Built-in dictionary functions and methods. Length dict gives the total length of a dictionary. This would be equal to the number of the items in the dictionary. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. String dict produces a printable string representation of a dictionary. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Type variable returns the type of the past variable. If past variable is dictionary, then it would return a dictionary type. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Python includes the following dictionary methods: dict.clear, dict.copy, dict.fromKeys, dict.items, dict.get, key default equals none, dict.hasKey, dict.setDefault, key default equals none, dict.update, dict2, dict.values. 1. Dict.clear. This method removes all elements of dictionary dict. Note, the clear method doesn't return any value, returns none. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Dict.copy. This method returns a shallow copy of dictionary dict. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Dict.fromKeys. These methods create a new dictionary with keys from sequence and values set to value. Syntax: dict.fromKeys sequence value. Sequence: this is the list of the values which would be used for dictionary keys preparation. Value: this is optional. If provided, then value would be set to this value. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Dict.get key default equals none. These methods for key returns value or default if key not in dictionary. Dict.get key default equals none. Key: this is the key to be searched in the dictionary. Default: this is the value to be returned in case key does not exist. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Dict.items. This method returns a list of dict key value tuples pair. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Dict.keys. This method returns the list of dictionary dict keys. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Dict.setDefault key default equals none. This method is similar to get, but will set dict key equals default if key is not already in dict. Syntax: dict.setDefault key default equals none. Key: this is the key to be searched. Default: this is the value to be returned in case key is not found. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Dict.update dict2 adds dictionary dict2's key values pair to dict.
Syntax. Dict.update dict2. Dict2. This is the dictionary to be added into dict.
When the above code is executed, it produces the following result.